Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, Google AI Studio is a web-based platform that lets you interact with Google generative AI models like Gemini right here. When you click on the drop down right here at the top right, we have a Gemini in here, also Gemma and others like Learn LM or LM Studio. So this website is designed for developers, content creators, and AI enthusiasts to experiment with prompting, prototype AI-driven apps, and to integrate AI into workflows without needing extensive coding experience. All right. So just first up, if you want to use Google AI Studio, just go ahead and go to aistudio.google.com. And here, just go ahead and click on the text box itself. Now go ahead and enter your prompt. Okay. For example, teach me how to solve quadratic equation, just like that. And just hit on run right here and wait for it to load. Okay. Now going back in here while it's still running, some models in here may require API key access or billing. Okay. Down here, you can also go to tools and toggle structured output, code execution, function calling, grounding with Google search, and also URL context. And in here, under advanced settings, we have a ton of options as well. And here we have the AI's explanation on how to solve the or a quadratic equation. Okay. Now, if you want to enable autosave, just go ahead and go to the top right. We have the gear icon right here. Just click on it and toggle autosave. Now, if you want to build something, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on build. And here with the same set of steps, just go ahead and put in your prompt. Also, you can add a media tied to your prompt. For example, we click on dynamic text game using Gemini right here. As you can see here, it is now highlighted. It says here, build a dynamic text adventure game. Just for this example, using Gemini and Imagen. If you want to rewrite this, just go ahead and delete the text and put your own prompt. Once done, just hit on build. Right here, as you can see, it is now thinking. Just wait for it and it will just enter the code in this section. And here's the preview of the game. All right. For example, I'm going to answer this one like, and the story will continue. Okay. That's basically how you do it. If you want to, you can go ahead and save it on your Google Drive, download the app, or deploy to cloud and run. Okay. And also you can go ahead and share the app. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.